24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In today's video, we will cover the topic of changes in matter from chapter 5 of Science grade 5 of Snowman publishers. The video will cover processes involved in changing states of matter, that is melting, freezing, boiling, evaporation, condensation, dissolving, and then solutions. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is matter? What are types of matter? Can matter change its states? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise characteristics of flowers. Keep writing the responses on the board. For this lesson, prepare a demonstration of how matter changes in different states. For this purpose, you can take ice cubes in a dish, show them to the students, and tell them this is the solid form of water. Then let the ice melt. Show it to the students again and tell them that this is the liquid form of water. Arrange an electric kettle for the lesson. Pour water in it and let the water boil. Steam will come out from the nozzle. Tell the students that this is the gaseous form of water known as water vapors. Hold a tray near the nozzle of the kettle. Steam will strike it and droplets of water will appear. Tell the students that water vapors are now turning back to liquid water. Ask them what would happen if we collect this liquid water and put it in the freezer. Now, with the help of the board, revise the entire process with the students and tell them different processes they have just witnessed. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain to them the processes of melting, freezing, boiling, evaporation, and condensation. If a multimedia is available, you can show to the students videos that involve the changes of matter from one state to another. Divide the students in groups of 3 or 4. Give each group 2 glasses of water, sand, and salt. Ask them to add a spoon of salt in one glass and a spoon of sand in the other glass. Stir them and observe what happens. Ask them to explain their observations. Now, with the help of the textbook, explain to them what are solutions, what is a solute, and what is a solvent. After the students are clear on the concept of solute, solvent, and solution, explain to them with the help of textbook about dilute and concentrated solutions. You can also conduct an activity in which students can make dilute and concentrated salt or sugar solutions. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to make a cycle that shows changes in states of water. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.